Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you what a great hand and bow drill spindle that a Yucca stalk makes. Let's cut away and I'll show you 3 weeks ago when I harvested them. Alright, I noticed this Yucca plant 2 weeks ago on a busy roadside, so I got up early this morning, it's Sunday morning, and started to harvest it at 7:30. And there were no cars. So we'll let it dry out for about 7 days and see if we can get hand drill and a bow drill spindle out of it. And I did try it out yesterday and it worked beautifully. Look at how crooked it is. But I mean, it's still hand drilled nicely. And we're going to do some bow drill today also. And I made several embers with this short spindle for bow drill. Maybe we'll be able to get this one to work, but this one, look at how crooked it is. So, we'll see. All right, can't do anything about the noisy neighborhood. Got another wood chipper just across the street. All right. This is a water oak fireboard, a highly degraded piece of water oak. Right here.
And a water oak leaf for an ember catch.
Oh, no, it didn't. I bet you we get the flames this time. And this is exactly why we're out here practicing, to test the limits of embers and my limits and the tools and materials. All right, let's get set up on the ground and we'll try a bow drill with it. Let's go ahead and try to use that divot that's already made right there. Little old short 5-inch spindle. I think I will go ahead and take these corners off though. Put a little point on that. Just think how pithy that is. If you did not have a loose bowstring on this spindle, it would just wear that down, shoulder out. There'd be no way I could drive the spindle. And using a loose bowstring with a thumb action backup, in case you have to tighten it up because the bowstring is slipping on the spindle, is the way to go when your tip is that fragile. And I don't know if you can see it, but that divot's got a hole all the way through it. Let's use this one right here. Have this knee more in line with my foot, because instead of bowing over the top of my shoe, I'll be bowing alongside it. So therefore this knee has to get out of the way, which makes me feel unbalanced, but it is what it is. All right, let's see if we can make this look a little smoother than the hand drill was. Oh yeah, we got a nice little ember there. I tell you, you need to get you some Yucca. It's a great spindle. Let's see if we can turn it into flames now. I just picked these pine needles up about an hour ago, so they got moisture in them. It doesn't matter though. It's all good practice. The fails, the successes, it's all just good fun to me. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.